Hello ladies, hello guys. In this tutorial guy I want to show to you how you transfer this thing here. Look, this only you need is $75 guy, and some labor, right? You can do this a weekend, right? And look, do you not drive your car like this because you are what you breathe. You put the AC on, there are billions minute dust you breathing guy. You kill yourself. This has to be your priority guy. What you breathe, that's what you are. I want to show you how you transfer this to something beautiful. Alright guy, you're gonna need this kind of screwdriver, look. And you need a little container. Every single screw you lose, you need to keep it right, safe there, right? Look, you're gonna begin right here guy. Alright. Be sure you have the right one. It's fit exactly, alright? You took it 1, 2, 3. This panel there needs to come down. You need a flat screwdriver to take out from here, take out from here. You need to take out the seat belt here. Alright, take it out from here. Over here. Just take a little time, guy. Alright, I'm going to show you step by step how to take it out this thing here. Ladies and gentlemen, you have two choices here. Cut the cables, or I recommend the guy do this. Look, you see this little tail here, the red one? You put it back. The tail is secure, guy, right? Then you pull the cable. All right. You know, electric guy, I recommend you to do this process, guy. All right. Remove all the cable. All right. Because look, when you put it back, you're just gonna connect. You don't need to wire nothing. Look, you gotta go all the way up. Simple like that, guy. Alright, look, now you're ready to do the next step. Right? The things all the way come down. You remove the wire here, the connector for here. The time coming back, you just put it back here. Boom, boom. Alright. Alright, guy, if you want your job come professional, even though this is the first time you do this, guy, right here is the secret, guy. You're gonna need a drill. You need this tool there, safety glass, your mask. Very, very important, guy. Look, guy, when you pass your hand here, you gotta use your imagination like you're gonna paint this thing. Alright? No glue gotta be there, guy. Because when you come with the material here, any bubble, something dirty there, you're not gonna let it do the best job, guy. You can see here how the material gonna stick even here. Look right there. Too much different. I already did with the drill and the sandpaper. Alright? Any old glue you see needs to come out, guy. You touch with your hand like you touch flour. So funny, but that's the secret, guy. And this is the only way. No matter if you choose the expensive material, flour, it's more expensive flour material, whatever you pick, right, the secret, guy. You have to clean it up good. Figure out like you want to paint this thing. So any dirty, any bubbles, bomb need to come out, guy. Have to come even. So when you come with the material, somebody gonna open your aeroplane suit. Who did this job? You don't have to be a professional, guy, to do a beautiful job. You just need a few tools. In this case, I go with the drill. Look. Alright? Because the glue is sticking, impossible to come out with this sandpaper. You have to do it with the drill first, then with sandpaper. And I'll show you in the next video, guys, how you want to transfer this ugly thing, something awesome. Alright, guys, you want to see the other video, you're going to come after this, guy. Alright, God bless you. Hasta la vista, baby.